I am reading this part again. When he opened it, it was evident that to answer it, he needed something more than goodwill, ink, and paper. So, when the postmaster decided that he would answer the letter, it was okay. But when he read the whole letter, when he opened the envelope and he read the whole letter written by Lencho, then he realized that he not only needed goodwill or good intention to answer his letter, he did not only need ink and paper, but he needed something else also. What did he need? He will need money also. Why? Because in his letter, Lencho had asked not only God to help him out, but to reply his letter, but also Lencho had asked God, requested God to send him 100 pesos. So the postmaster felt, or he realized, that he will not only need a goodwill, a good intention, ink and paper to answer to the letter of Lencho, but he is also going to need some money so that he could give at least some amount of money to Lencho to help him. And when Lencho will get that money, he will feel that God has sent the money to him. But he stuck to his resolution. To his promise. Which promise? That he will not let Lencho's faith in God go waste. He will not let Lencho's faith shake. He will see to it that his faith in God remains unshaken, and he is going to do something to help him out. But he stuck to his resolution. He asked for money from his employees. He himself gave a part of his salary, and several friends of his were obliged to give something for an act of charity. So, how did the postmaster decide to help him? The postmaster encouraged the post office employees to collect some money to help him out. He himself gave a part of his salary, and some of his friends also were obliged to help that man who had written the letter to God, so that a good amount of money could be collected and the postmaster could help that man. Now, in our next English class, we will continue with the chapter and see how much money was collected. Was Lencho happy and satisfied with the money that was given to him or not? Then, children, we are also going to do the question answers. I will discuss the question answers with you in my next class. Also, I will send the picture of all the answers. So, please write everything very neatly in your fair copies. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.